What's good, y'all? King Time still here, back with another video. Oh my God, it's been so long since I said that. Yeah, I got a quick unboxing to do. I had this package in probably for maybe a week now. It's just been sitting there because I've been trying to get myself back into the, video recording mode or whatever. But yeah, as you've seen by the thumbnail, we got a brown sugar babe package. The second one, I think that first one, if you haven't seen that video, that one probably was like a year ago, maybe a year and a half or something like that at this point. But man, yeah. So while I open this package, I've been distracted, and I really wanted to get back to doing videos because that's just, it's like a happy place for me. I'm gonna move the camera down just a tad bit so we could experience this together. We got our brown sugar babe. This actually looked like a different packaging than that last order that I have. So yeah, about a week or two ago, they were having a sale on the website because it was the lady's birthday. So I ended up doing two 2-ounce oils and 1 4-ounce oil. I completely forgot what I ordered. I think this was all blind buys because yeah, I've never smelled any of these, and I don't think these were like tailored after any specific fragrances or anything like that. So yeah, once we get them packing peanuts out, there are our fragrances, or should I say our oils. We got 3 oils here, like I said. I don't recall what I got, but I can see the names here. So for the first one, this big one, we got mint conditioned. So we got mint conditioned for our 4-ounce bottle. These boxes do feel a little different too. I got desert flower. Don't mind my ashy hands. We got desert flower. This actually might be one that's tailored after another fragrance. I'll have to look it up real quick. And then this one, it doesn't have a name on it. It's just a blank little tag there. But yeah, so actually, let me just look this up real quick what this third one is. I want some of your brown sugar. So we got mint condition, we got mood oud, and desert flower. So we got mint condition, desert flower, and mood oud. And I feel like mood oud might be a Tom Ford oud clone. I feel like mint condition is probably not made after a fragrance, and desert flower might be a Byredo, if I remember correctly. I'm gonna smell it first, and then we'll read the notes. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. Flip the knife, pop that lid. I got something to tell y'all about these oils too. Like, I really do like these oils. They feel really good on skin and all that. Bring you up here so you can see me. That is minty, very, very minty. I don't know what I was expecting. It smells fire though. I really can't see myself using like a peppermint type oil, but it's got vanilla in there. And like for me, I love the vanillas. I don't know what fragrance I would pair this with. This one probably actually will get paired by itself, or not paired with anything. It'll just be applied by itself. Yeah, so it says on the top notes, we got peppermint, we got vanilla bean, we got sweet vanilla essence. This one is slept on. It's a vanilla with a hint of sweet mint. It's so good and can be layered with so many. I'm gonna have to test it out with the layering. I definitely gotta use it by itself. But this is different though, like a peppermint vanilla fragrance. That smells fire. Next up, we got desert flower. I'll just pop the lid on this guy. Before we even read the notes, I assume that it's gonna be a flower type fragrance. The labels do also say it there. Yeah, I assume mint condition. That mint condition fire. I'm really excited to use that one. So we got desert flower. I do smell some florals, but it's like more citrus. Let's see. So this one is sapatope and ambrette, whatever that is, as the top notes. And then our heart, we got violet, sandalwood, and magnolia. And then our base, we got musk, amber, cedarwood, and vetiver. I do got a little something on. I'll just See what that do right there. That's nice. I can see myself like getting in the shower and then wearing like some iris type fragrance with this. That's real good. Or even Leighton. I think Leighton to pair with this really nice. I'm excited though, cause like, man, I only had those other 2 Brown Sugar Babe oils. And like, don't get me wrong, them mugs fire, they smell good. But now we got options, you know? So lastly, what did I say this one was? Oh, Oud Mood or Mood Oud. Yep, Oud Mood. So we're gonna bring you guys back down so you can see that. Yeah, this one doesn't have the labels on it, so we'll just open him right up. Mood Oud, we are gonna get into it, see what happens. I had an oud fragrance that would pair really nice with this. I don't have it anymore, but it wouldn't be nothing to get that one back just to wear that with this. Oh my God. Yes. We're gonna rip this tab off on this one as well. Man, even just layering these two, like this Oud Mood and Mood Oud and that flower. Like them oud fragrances be like a sweet, smoky, dark, like raspberry. Oh man, yeah, no, that's gonna be fire. Fresh out the shower. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I would recommend these Brown Sugar Babe. And then when you catch them on sale too, what? It's a no-brainer. I think I paid 50 bucks for all 3 of these. And I would do it again. We got mint condition, we got desert flower, and we got Mood Oud. Let me know if you guys have smelled any of these, or if you purchased anything from Brown Sugar Babe. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, King times 2. We will catch you in the next one. And I promise y'all, I'm not taking no more hiatuses. Like, we just that way. Catch you in the next one. Peace.